Gaze upon the iris.
Yeah, I didn't remember that.
Hello and welcome back to another unboxing video, and this time it's from Overwatch, and it's another healer, and it's Zenyatta, which has balls.
I will not juggle. I dreamt I was a butterfly. That's my favorite line from him. It's one of the first voice lines I got from the game, and I just love spamming it.
Soon you'll get banned for spamming.
Yeah. I dreamt I was a butterfly. I dreamt I was a butterfly.
Luckily
I dreamt I was a butterfly.
Luckily I play more Zenyatta than her.
Yeah.
The iris embraces you. So this is Zenyatta, and he's supposed to be flying. That's what they try to do with the stand, but it doesn't really show him high enough, in my opinion.
Yeah, basically could even be higher.
But the colors, I think, are nicely done. I don't think there's any mistakes with that.
Yeah, and I like the orbs around his neck.
You mean the balls?
Yeah, Zenyatta balls. They're pretty cool. And all that robotic parts of him, they look really detailed, like on the chest and stuff.
They should make a voice line for Zenyatta, because they have, for Mercy, the voice line, I have my eye on you. They should make one for Zenyatta, I got my balls on you. But then with the Zenyatta voice, not with that one, because it was nasty.
That was.
Yeah, so he's doing his, well,
that's his usual
emote,
I
would say.
Or it's just when he moves around.
Yeah, he's a
like
bit
that,
weirdo.
unless he's shooting.
Yeah.
It's really nicely done. All the details that are in it are well done. And it really looks like Zenyatta.
Yep, he does. A real basic Omnic. And the funny thing I just noticed, on the back of his head, it looks like he's angry. Like,
yeah, it's like eyes and
maybe that's actually the front of Zenyatta.
Or maybe it's Lord Voldemort in
this
his
is the
head.
Yeah, maybe.
Pa, 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 pa.
Maybe we should figure that out.
Yeah. More lore to come out of Overwatch.
Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you in my next video. Ciao! Have a nice day.
Ciao!